If you find yourself banned from Slack, you may want to appeal the decision. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Review the ban reason. Understand why you were banned. Check any messages or notifications from Slack or your workspace admin that explain the reason for the ban. This will help you address the issue in your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information or evidence that supports your case. This could include screenshots, messages, or any documentation that clarifies your actions or intentions. Step 3. Contact workspace admin. Reach out to your workspace administrator or the person responsible for managing Slack in your organization. Use a professional tone and clearly state your desire to appeal the ban. Step 4. Submit a formal appeal. If your workspace has a formal process for appeals, follow it. Write a concise appeal letter or email that includes your explanation, any evidence you gathered, and a request for reconsideration. Step 5. Follow up. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up politely. Reiterate your request and express your willingness to discuss the matter further. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal a ban on Slack. Good luck.